This is Michigan Moments, rediscovering the pioneering moments of the Great Lakes State. North Branch, Michigan, began as a quiet rural crossroads in Lapeer County. By the early 1900s, it had transformed into a modest but thriving village centered around rail service, agriculture, and small business. Grain elevators like Harper's were critical for farmers in the region, feeding into the Grand Trunk Western Railway line that connected the town to larger markets. The Grand Trunk station itself was a focal point. Passengers arrived by train, stepping onto the wooden platform greeted by wagons from local hotels like the Hotel Melanie. Horse-drawn coaches soon gave way to Ford sedans, but the station remained a center of movement and news. Downtown, Main Street reflected the aspirations of a town on the rise. A strong brick commercial district emerged, anchored by pharmacies, barbers, hardware stores, and cafes. The Hotel Melanie was the grandest of its kind, 3 stories high with iron-railed balconies and striped awnings. It served visiting salesmen, farmers, and rail travelers. A few blocks away, the new North Branch Hotel opened with turreted towers and wide porches, signaling a new era of prosperity. The post office was another constant in town life. In a striking image, 6 rural mail carriers pose with satchels and sacks, ready to deliver letters and parcels across the countryside. They were the face of federal service in an era before rural telephones were common. Civic life revolved around public events. The local fairgrounds hosted horse races and community gatherings that filled the grandstand. The 4th of July parade in 1927 drew crowds from nearby farms, the streets lined with parked cars and families dressed in Sunday best. The oldest photograph in this story shows the town's earliest hotel and business front. The rough-cut wooden structures and dirt streets reflect a time when North Branch was still carving itself out of the Michigan wilderness. This has been Michigan Moments, offering bite-sized morsels of Michigan history.